Okay, we have a Takumi gantry style machining center, model H16, serial number 16286. Machine was new in 2016. It has a Fanuc 31IB control. We're going to do a tool change right now. You have a 40 taper spindle, 30 tool APC automatic tool changer, 15,000 RPM spindle. It's also a big plus. The table size is 74.8 by 51 big table. Your travels are, that's 51.1 in the Y. You have 62.9 in the X and 27.52 in the Z. He's wrapping around. You see you have telescopic weight covers. Machine runs nicely. Machine also has a coolant through spindle, about 435 PSI. Machine sounds great. I'm going to walk around a little bit. Again, that's your control, fan of control, full enclosure. Nice clean T-slotted table. Your ATC is on this side. Chip conveyor, double augers. Hey, thank you for watching our video.